Today is a great pleasure for me to actually warmly welcome you to this historic occasion, the first dedicated Africa Day celebration at the University of Pretoria. Today is a vibrant expression of who we are as a university community, diverse, dynamic, and deeply connected to the African continent.
We gather here today not only to celebrate this wonderful occasion and this day, but also to celebrate a wonderful continent.
Your voice matters. Your leadership matters. Your presence in this institution of the University of Pretoria is not accidental, it is purposeful. You are not only preparing for the future, you are shaping it.
Africa needs builders, Africa needs thinkers, Africa needs creators, Africa needs innovators, Africa needs protectors of possibility.
May this celebration not be the end of a conversation, but the beginning of a stronger collaboration.
We prepared a selection of little bites for everyone to have that represented the African continent.
My highlight from today was definitely seeing different cultures represented by so many young people.
Today I enjoyed the cultural performances the most.
I would describe Africa Day as absolutely vibrant.
Electric.
Magical.
It's been a wonderful day full of African vibes, African tenacity.
Young people are waiting for the opportunity to show off their culture, their heritage, their style, and its unique blend with their modern identities.
That makes me really proud of my continent, Africa.